how you make a payment through OneStop. We're able to use OneStop now to pay for laser cutting. We will do the laser cutting and we will also mail it to you as well. And we can also use the OneStop payment for delivery of 3D prints. To actually top up your 3D Printer OS account, you can also use the OneStop system. So for me, I'm laser cutting. I've filled in the form that's in this link. It looks something like this, the form. I've already filled that in. And I've received an email that looks like this. That email tells me that my price is $15. I'm going to pay for that through the payments portal with this link. Now, we have set up amounts of 10, 20, 5, and 50. To pay that 15, I'm going to have to add a 10 and a 5. First of all, the 10, filling in my details. So I'm going to add that to the cart. And now to make this total 15, I'm going to have to continue shopping. Click on this link here, units of study, and select that other $5. Filling in my details, add that to the cart, and here I can see that that's adding up to the 15. I'm now ready to process payment. I can use a credit card. I'm going to click on this for credit card, filling in my university email address again, and filling in my credit card details. Once that payment's gone through, you'll be emailed a receipt that will look something like this. Replying to the email that was sent to you before, telling you the price and the number, we want to do these things. We want to make an email that has the subject with your reference number. Make sure that you forward the receipt that we received, include your UniKey, and let us know about delivery if you're requiring delivery. So here's my email. I've written something like this. Hi DMAF, my UniKey is blah. I have attached the OneStop receipt to this email. Here it is. And just confirming that I'd like these laser cut files sent to the address below. When you've done something like that, you can send it. And